Get one's, meaning yours, priorities straight to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is to get one's priorities straight. This is a relatively new idiom. Priorities and prioritas are the precursors, the Latin words that priority and priorities came from, meaning prior or in rank order, or to rank something. And that's what we do when we set priorities. And what does it mean to set priorities? I think that we know, but let's talk about it anyway. It means to focus our attention, our energy, our concerns, our resources on what's most important to us, right? A lot of times you'll hear top priorities, most important priorities. What's your critical, crucial priorities? What's most important to you? And what matters most, and we're talking about this today in this year's annual challenge, to get your goals annual challenge. We're talking about priorities and how priorities need to change. How do we set our priorities? And why do we even want to do that? We want to do it because it makes decision making and choices and choosing among alternatives so much easier. If we know what's most important to us, it's easy to say yes and no to different projects and different things that come our way because it's not the right time for us or for our business. Now, interestingly enough, I had the thought today that whenever anyone has told me to get my priorities straight, or usually it's get my head out of my nether regions or get my together, it's been because they want me to follow their priorities, not necessarily do they want me to follow my own priorities. So always keep that in mind. When somebody's giving you a hard time, there's a difference between feedback and somebody trying to impose their will and their priorities onto you. You should remember that it's your business, you're building it, you're supersizing it for your reasons, and the priorities that are important to you need to be taken into consideration as you are moving forward and taking action on that. So even though people will tell you, do this, do this, do this, do this, make sure that you're touching base with yourself and understanding, is this right for my business and for us right now? Or is this just someone else's version of how things should happen? Because each of us have our own journey and we need to honor that. So curious, how do you go about setting priorities? We talked about this again. I shared like different tips on this in today's annual challenge. Things like you got to know what your core values are. And chances are, if you've been in business any amount of time, you have figured these out, some of them the easy way, some of them the hard way. What is most important to you? And it's different. It's slightly different for each of us. A lot of us have the same priorities, but a lot of people tweak those and they have them in different orders. And depending on the stage of growth in your business, your priorities change over time. We talked about having priorities set for a different reason and season. And a lot of our businesses are seasonal. And so that has even a bigger impact there than it does in our personal priorities in our personal life. Talked about the importance of tying those to our core values, to having a way to analyze all the things that we want to do or we think that we have to do to help us make decisions easier by using things like the urine analysis tool. And I've taught that a lot. Is it urgent? Is it important? Is it necessary? Is it, what resources is it going to take? I'm not doing it in order, obviously. And how much energy and effort is required? And then I always ask, it might be urgent, it might be important, but is it important or urgent that I personally participate in it, or that it just gets done for the business? A lot of things, I used to think I had to do everything myself. Boy, that was a stressful time. But I learned very quickly through a lot of bad experiences that it's better to delegate some things than to try to do everything yourself. So how do you set priorities? Do you have any tips for us? Share those in the comments below. What do you think of this idiom? Do you think priorities are important? Do you think that everybody in your organization should have your same priorities? Because that can be a problem as well with respect to our culture and things. But it's a great topic. I love it. And I'd love to know your take on it. Have an awesome day. Of course, we'll see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? Again, this is a 20th century idiom. It's a relatively new one as idioms go. So we've probably experienced it, at least if you're my age. Have a great day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.